Communicate effectively and make information accessible with Google Docs and Lucid. Learn to set up add-ons for Google Docs, link Google Docs in your Lucid documents, and embed Lucid diagrams, whiteboards, and models into your documents. To get started, click on the Extensions button in the Google Docs menu bar. Hover over the Add-ons menu and then click Get Add-ons. Find the Lucid add-on you want to use and click Install. Follow the prompts and choose Allow. Once the add-on is installed, refresh your browser and your integration will appear in the Google side panel. Click the icon of the integration you added and then log in with your Lucid credentials. Be sure to read through the permissions that pop up and then click Grant Access. You may need to refresh the side panel in order to complete your setup. You can work with Google Docs directly from your Lucid document. To do this, open a working document and click the Share button. Copy the shareable link, make any adjustments to your permissions, and then paste the link into your Lucid document. Lucid will embed the document and create an interactive thumbnail for you. Move the thumbnail by clicking and dragging. Resize the thumbnail by adjusting the corners, or rotate the thumbnail here. You can even provide additional context for your team by double-clicking on the input and adding a description. In the contextual toolbar, you can modify the image displayed, apply any changes with a refresh, and even extract thumbnails from your document. But the most powerful tool found in the contextual toolbar is the Expand View button. This allows you to edit and create Google Docs from within your Lucid document. Click the Expand button, make any changes you need, and Lucid will bidirectionally sync across platforms. And if you ever need to go full screen, just click the Open and New Tab button to access your document in a new window. In Google Docs, you can import images of diagrams, whiteboards, and models directly into your work. First, click on the integration from the side panel, then click the Browse button and search through your Lucid homepage. Once you've found the visual you'd like to use, click on it and then press Select. An image of the Lucid document will now appear in your doc. If you need to create a new visual for your document, click the Create New button and Lucid will open in a separate window. Create your visual and return to Google Docs. Use the Browse button to find the Lucid document you created and add it to your document. Lastly, remember to click the Update Images button whenever you make a change to an inserted Lucid document. This way your images will always reflect the latest version of your work. And be aware that because Lucid imports your documents as images, any GIFs or videos embedded in your Lucid document will not be playable when placed in a Google Doc. To learn more ways the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite can integrate with your team's workflow, visit training.lucid.co.